Musamseleku's wives, they drink alcohol, not in public, in private place. Makhumalo, Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Makwela. The person who did not drink is Macele and her husband Musamseleku. Makhumalo, is obvious the type of friends she is playing with. They drink champagnes. When you are married in polygamy, it's obvious you can drink alcohol to reduce some stress. Makwela, she quits to drink, but now she go back to her things of drinking alcohol. So Makhumalo, she can drink on private because most of the people, they respect her. She can't go to the clubs drinking directly. People, they are watching her, especially they have got an issue with the Musamseleko. So sometimes, guys, don't judge those people. Macele was saying she was drunk, what. Macele, there is something she knows about Makhumalo, that Makhumalo drinks alcohol or something, but Macele knows the truth that Musamseleku's wives, sometimes they can drink, because when you are married on Istanbul, even you can't drink alcohol, but you can learn to drink, guys. Sometimes, especially people are judging Tirelo. Tirelo was drunk, what. It's not about Tirelo only. Even Musamseleku's wives, they can drink, because Musamseleku dumps Makhumalo for 5 months. What Makhumalo she was supposed to do, guys, it's about drinking alcohol and drunk and sleep. You understand? It's not about Makhumalo can't drink, guys. Look at her birthday, her presents. Makhumalo's presents, you've got champagnes, what. You understand? She can drink alcohol. It's not about Makwela. Today we say Makwela this, Makwela that, because Makwela, she is doing it on public. You understand? The person who is not drinking alcohol is Musamseleko. Musamseleko is the one who is stressing those wives, and those wives, they can go to start drinking alcohol. Maybe Mayeni, but Mayeni, Mangwawe, I don't, yes, but they can drink there and there, but the person, especially Makhumalo and Makwela, Makhumalo, the type of friends she is playing with, it can't happen. They can't drink alcohol. It can't happen. Mayeni and Mangwawe, they can drink there and there. Maybe when they are together, the three of them, Mayeni, Mangwawe, and Makhumalo, they can drink when they are the three of them, especially they are at therapy. Musamseleko was busy with Macele. It's obvious they can go and drink and enjoy. And now Musamseleko can't control his wives now. Can't control his wives. Even when he saw Makhumalo drinking alcohol, he can't control Makhumalo. Even about her dressing, we saw it. Makhumalo nowadays, she can do whatever she wants to do. Makhumalo can't drink alcohol when she was staying at Musamseleku's compound in Muzumbe, in that house, because she knows that Musamseleku can come at any time. You understand? But in Durban, Makhumalo, she is doing whatever she wants to do. She can come home at her own time. You understand? So Musamseleku can't control when it comes to drinking to his family. His family, guys, they drink. Even his kids, his wives, they drink. The person, imagine, your husband doesn't drink any alcohol, but you are drinking alcohol, busy drinking alcohol. I don't understand, guys. The person who did not drink even alcohol is Macele. I know Macele. Macele, she is like a Christian like that. You understand? Macele. That's why some select want to spend time with Macele, because with Macele they are friends. They are doing the same thing. They understand each other. What you understand? But to Mayeni, Mangwawe, Makhumalo, she is still young. Makhumalo want to groove like Makwela. You understand? They want to they want to groove. Musamseleko is regretting marrying young girls, because the lifestyle of Makhumalo and Makwela, they have got the same lifestyle. Those people, they're supposed to be friends. Musamseleku's wife's friends. I don't understand why they are not getting along to go and groove together, because Makhumalo nowadays, you can saw her that Makhumalo, she is removing her mask, that her mask she was wearing like a good person or a stable what. Makumalo nowadays, she doesn't care.